From the 20th of November 2023, the Armadale line will be closed for 18 months or more, although there will be trains running still only to Victoria Park train station. But if you need to go farther, you will need to catch a train replacement bus. 7 new bus routes have been introduced or had improvements made. Now I am going to read the alternate bus services at or near closed train stations. Alright, so at Oak Street train station, we have bus stop no 27576 on Shepperton Road before Oak Street. So the routes that we got is the 221 to Armadale Station, LS, 230 to Thornley Station, 282 to Kalamunda Bus Station, 283 to Kalamunda Bus Station, and 907 to Armadale Station, LS, 908 to Cannington Station, LS, and the 930 to Thornley Station, of course. And on Star Street, after Oak Street, we have got bus stop no 14381 and bus stop no 14393, Star Street before Oak Street as well. So the 14381, the first one I read, is the 39 to Perth, and then we got the bus stop no 14393, Star Street before Oak Street, is the 39 to Redcliffe train station. So yeah. Now we've got Maddington train station. So bus stop no 10176, Albany Highway before Kelvin Road, has the 220 to Armadale Station, 221 to Armadale Station, LS, 907 to Armadale Station, LS. Now we've got Kenwick Station. Bus stop no 10170. We've got the 220 to Armadale Station, 221 to Armadale Station, LS, and the 907 to Armadale Station, LS. Next we've got Kelmscott Station. At the bus station we've got the 907 to Perth and Armadale Station, LS, and then we've got bus stop no 10198 on Albany Highway / Kelmscott Stargate Shop Centre. So we've got the 220 to Armadale Station and the 221 to Armadale Station there, LS. Now we've got Gosnell Station. At the bus station we've got the 907 to Perth and Armadale Station, LS. Bus stop no 10184 Albany Highway before Dorothy Street, 220 to Armadale Station and the 221 to Armadale Station, LS. Then we got bus stop no 125 Albany Highway after Dorothy Street, 220 to Perth and the 221 to Perth, LS. Now we got Shallow Station. Bus stop no 13059 Railway Avenue before Ryland Road. We've got the 907 to Armadale Station, LS, and then we got the bus stop no 22063 on the same avenue and same road as you know, Railway Avenue and Ryland Road. We've got the 907 to Perth, LS. And now we got Carlisle Station. Bus stop no 164 Shepperton Road after Mint Street. Bus stop no 10148 Shepperton Road before Mint Street. Sorry, I'm reading the... Never mind. 908 to Cannington Station, LS. 930 to Thornley Station. And then we've got the 282 to Kalamunda Bus Station, the 283 to Kalamunda Bus Station. And these are the same bus stops at Carlisle. Now we got bus stop no 14418 Archer Street after Rutland Street, 38 to Cloverdale. Bus stop no 14428 Archer Street before Rutland Avenue, 38 to Perth. Bus stop no 14384 Star Street after Archer Street, 39 to Perth. And finally bus stop no 14388 Star Street before Archer Street, 39 to Redcliffe Station. And then we got Cannington, temporary bus station, the 51 to Perth, 206 to Thornley Station, 907 to Perth and Armadale Station LS, 908 to Victoria Park Station LS. Now we got Beckenham. Bus stop no 13592 7 Oak Street before William Street, 907 to Armadale Station LS. Bus stop no 13589 7 Oak Street after William Street, 907 to Perth LS. The other one was also LS as well. So Armadale, temporary bus station, 220 to Perth, 221 to Perth LS, 529 to Coburn Central, and 907 to Perth LS. Now we've got Queen's Park, bus stop no 13548 7 Oak Street before Mallard Y or something, 908 to Armadale Station LS, and bus stop no 13545 7 Oak Street after Mallard Y. We got the same route, 908 to Cannington Station LS. Seaforth, we got the bus stop no 10189 Albany Highway after Manning Avenue, 220 to Armadale Station, 221 to Armadale Station LS. Bus stop no 120, or no, not 120, 10020. Albany Highway after Manning Avenue, 220 to Perth and 221 to Perth LS. Bus stop no 19084 Seaforth Avenue before Ealing Street, 907 to Armadale Station LS. Bus stop no 19083 Seaforth Avenue after Ealing Street, 907 to Perth LS. Sherwood, bus stop no 13060 Railway Avenue after Champion Drive, 907 to Armadale Station LS, and bus stop no 22064 Railway Avenue before Champion Drive, 907 to Perth LS. Thornley, bus station, 206 to Cannington Station, Murdoch, 230 to Perth LS, 930 to Perth. Yeah, so LS stands for Limited Stop Service, if you were wondering that. And yeah, that is it. Transperth will remove 13 level crossings and will add 7 new stations. This will be, this is how the Byford Rail extension is going to work.